As we count down to the unveiling of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 series, set to drop on January 22, 2025, the excitement around this next-gen smartphone is reaching a fever pitch. Samsung fans are already buzzing about what's next for the Galaxy lineup, and the latest leaks are offering a clearer glimpse at what we can expect from the S25, S25 Plus, and the flagship S25 Ultra. Images recently leaked by WinFuture give us an official look at the devices, showcasing them in sleek silicone cases, and it's clear. Samsung is preparing to shake up the industry once again. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the device everyone's keeping an eye on, and for good reason. In a bold design shift, Samsung is moving away from the boxy edges of its predecessor, opting for a more subtle curve. While it's still a far cry from the extreme curves of the S25 and S25 Plus, this new aesthetic offers a refined feel that will undoubtedly appeal to those looking for a premium design. One of the standout updates is the addition of black rings around the cameras, evoking a sleek, modern look reminiscent of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Experience the next evolution of Galaxy AI. Unlock a $50 Samsung credit, save up to $1,250, and enter to win $5,000 in Samsung credit. Reserve now by clicking the link in the description, filling out the details, and hitting reserve now. Don't miss this limited time offer. Another exciting detail is the introduction of an official Q2 case featuring a magnetic alignment ring. Though the phones won't come with built-in Q2 charging, a feature reserved for the cases themselves. For the color-conscious, Samsung is also introducing a fresh icy blue variant for the S25 and S25 Plus, adding a breath of fresh air to the lineup. What's even more enticing is Samsung's early reservation offers. By registering for pre-orders, users can lock in up to $1,250 in savings through a combination of trade-in credits, instant discounts, and exclusive rewards like the chance to win a $5,000 gift card. This move is aimed at making the Galaxy S25 more accessible than ever, especially for those eyeing an upgrade to the latest and greatest in mobile tech. But the real star of the show may be the groundbreaking AI features Samsung has hinted at. These features are expected to outpace Apple's offerings and could change the way we interact with our smartphones. We're also hearing whispers about a life-saving car crash detection sensor that may debut with the S25, providing an extra layer of safety for users on the road. With its sleek design, enhanced performance, and game-changing AI features, a Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a must-have for tech enthusiasts. But that's not all. Samsung isn't just upgrading hardware, they're set to redefine what smartphones can do with AI. We're talking about features that could rival Apple's best, taking Samsung's flagship experience to new heights. And if you're waiting for the launch, now's the perfect time to lock in your reservation for a chance to score some massive savings while staying ahead of the curve in the smartphone game. As we eagerly await the official Unpacked event, which will bring all the answers to our burning questions, we can't help but wonder just how much better can the Galaxy S25 Ultra get? With improved AI capabilities, a sleeker design, and the promise of life-saving technology, this phone is shaping up to be more than just a phone. It's an experience. But don't get too comfortable, because the competition is heating up. Enter the Oppo Find X8, Samsung's next big challenger. Oppo's latest flagship packs a punch with groundbreaking features that could make even the most loyal Samsung fan pause and consider a switch. The Find X8 boasts a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, making it one of the fastest performers on the market. Its sleek design, with minimal bezels and a flat, comfortable build, brings an ultra-modern look that competes with Samsung's own flagship offerings. What really sets the Find X8 apart, though, is its camera setup. Triple 50-megapixel sensors capable of shooting Dolby Vision 4K video on all lenses, including the front camera. This feature, which is a first for Android, opens up a whole new world of possibilities for mobile videography. Battery life is another area where Oppo has made significant strides. The Find X8 outperforms most flagship devices with its 5,600 mAh battery, backed by AVW Super Veloci fast charging that can go from 0 to 100% in just 48 minutes. In comparison, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with a 5,000 mAh battery, but with only 45 dually wired charging. The Find X8's edge in charging speed could be a deal-breaker for users who are always on the go. Another impressive feature of the Find X8 is its stunning 6.59-inch display, which boasts a peak brightness of 4,500 nits and an ultra-smooth 3,840 Hz PWM dimming rate to reduce eye strain. This display, with its slim 1.45mm bezels, delivers a clean, immersive experience that rivals Samsung's AMOLED panels. If you're someone who spends hours watching videos or gaming on your phone, this could be a real game changer. What makes the Find X8 even more appealing is its affordability. while the Oppo device packs a punch with pro-level features like 4K 60 video recording, AVW fast charging, and next-gen AI capabilities. It's still priced significantly lower than Samsung's top-tier offerings. If you're looking for a flagship experience without breaking the bank, the Find X8 may be the phone to consider. With Samsung and Oppo both gunning for the top spot in the flagship phone race, 2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for mobile tech. Whether you're planning to invest in the Galaxy S25 Ultra or the Oppo Find X8, there's no doubt that these devices will be pushing the boundaries of what smartphones can do. It's an incredible time to be a mobile tech enthusiast who's ready for the future. Stay tuned as we get closer to the official launch of the Galaxy S25 series, and let us know in the comments, are you Team Samsung or Team Oppo? The countdown is on, and there's much more to come.